Hello everyone, this is Matthew, and welcome back to our channel. Today is Thursday, October 16th, 2025, and we're back with another daily recap of the E-micro Nasdaq 100 futures. It was a busy macro day, packed with economic data and Fed speakers moving the tape throughout the session. At 8:30 a.m., we had the Philadelphia Fed Manufacturing Index and Philly Fed employment data for October. Then at 9 a.m., Fed Vice Chair Barr delivered remarks. At 10 a.m., FOMC member Bowman spoke, alongside the release of the Housing Market Index. Later in the day, 11:30 a.m. brought the 4-week bill auction. 2 p.m. saw the federal budget balance for September. And finally, at 4:30 p.m., the Federal Reserve balance sheet update wrapped up the session. Now let's take a closer look at how our swing robot navigated the volatility, capturing about $750 profit, trading just one contract of the E-micro Nasdaq 100 futures. Overnight session, 6 p.m. to 3 a.m. At 4 p.m. on October 15th, our system carried over a long position into the overnight session. When futures reopened at 6 p.m., price action stayed flat and narrow. As the Asian session began, volatility remained muted, with the Nasdaq drifting sideways. Around 2 a.m., the long was closed and a short position entered. But when London opened at 3 a.m., Nasdaq edged higher, and our short was stopped out. Pre-market 7 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. At 7 a.m., our robot re-entered a short position. Half an hour later, Nasdaq pushed higher again, triggering a reversal to long. By 8:40 a.m., the long was closed for a $160 profit, and a new short was entered. Within minutes, that short was flipped again as momentum turned bullish. At 8:30 a.m., when the Philadelphia Fed Manufacturing Index and employment data hit the wires, the market turned volatile. Our robot switched to scalping mode, executing over 10 quick trades for a realized profit of $240. Market opened 9:30 a.m. At the U.S. market open, Nasdaq futures climbed higher. Our long position locked in another $120 profit from 10:30 a.m. to noon. Our swing robot stayed active, firing off over 20 trades, generating an additional $500 in realized gains. Momentum was fueled by strong tech buying, led by Nvidia and Meta, while traders kept an eye on the Fed's afternoon reports. Afternoon session, 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. At 2 p.m., the federal budget balance for September was released. Volatility surged once again, with algo trading volume spiking. Our robot executed 30 more trades, adding $199 in profit. That brought total realized gains to $699. As the day went on, Nasdaq remained volatile but directionless, swinging between 24,300 and 24,550. Our bot kept scalping efficiently, ending the day with $725 total realized profit, plus a short position still open carrying $46 unrealized gain. Summary: end of session. Total realized profit $725. Unrealized gain $46. Total on the day roughly $770 trading just one micro Nasdaq contract. A solid performance on a choppy, data-driven Thursday. That wraps up our October 16th, 2025 Nasdaq 100 futures recap. It's been a session defined by macro data, Fed speak, and algorithmic precision. Tomorrow, we'll see how markets react to the week's final trading day, and whether the Nasdaq can hold above key resistance. If you found this recap helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss tomorrow's update. Thanks for watching. Trade smart, stay disciplined, and we'll see you in the next one.